No way. I want an ocean trout. That's gross. I'm going to the McDonald's and doing Harvey's. No, we're not having McDonald's at Harvey's. We are going to chicken and the steak and the four goes to four. Actually, I do. So eat it. No, I don't want it. No. Yes. Yes, I can. That's it. I'm going to throw it. Cornwall, how dare you throw my plate into the wall? You did not listen. That's it. That means no Dora Explorer. No Team America. But it's for this one now. And even more. This only shows that movies are going to watch Carmel and Touchy Chasers, Finishper, and America Program. Lions are going to the Pony movies on Nickelodeon. Vampirina, Barney, Monkey Mouse Clubhouse, Disney Moana, Disney Coco, Disney Pixar Cars, and rushes of DVDs on either shows. This only shows the girls' stuff. No Peter's a Puphead, no Happy Tree Friends, no America Dad, no South Park, no Team America, no Bob's Burgers. I know Forest now. Go to bed now, and me. Carmel, you for order. I'm going to Vampirina DVDs from Amazon. I'm going to Family Guy DVDs as well. No, 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 no.